In Seattle, why do they put cream cheese on their hot dogs?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, look at it. Like a cloud that I've captured, put butter over and put it on the griddle.
Bread is lovely. £3.54.
Yeah, give it back. Right people, I'm in Seattle and obviously it's raining. Seattle is just such a great place to eat. To be honest, that's an understatement. Seattle not only has incredible restaurants and bars, but it has some of the most amazing produce from the whole of the US. They've got an enviable foodie scene and street food to die for. And they've got their very own cult food in the Seattle Dog, a hot dog that uses cream cheese. Can I just quickly film you, ask you a question about what the hell's going on with cream cheese?
No.
No.
Who is cream cheese?
With the cream cheese, right? What is going on with cream cheese?
I don't really know. I've never actually had one.
Really?
It's disgusting to me. I'm a vegetarian. I think it's weird.
Oh, SEATTLEDOG.
Why do they put cream cheese on hot dogs here?
That I do not know. I don't know, man. Because that's the only way you have them in Seattle.
You know? It works. So today's a great day to be in Seattle to check out these hot dogs because the Seattle Seahawks.
Win, lose, or draw.
Put out show my fans. Seahawks
Are playing the New Orleans Saints. So there's going to be loads of places to bag one of these Seattle dogs. Yeah, baby, look at that. Give me the... You've done this stuff before.
Alright, just like that. Flip her off. Then once
You feel like who?
Gordon Ramsay. This?
Thank you, sir. Much obliged. Amazing. Thank you.
You got it? Yeah. Sausage is beef and pork. And we have the cream cheese and the grilled onions.
dogs available.
Right there.
Thank you. I'll pay you. How much? Oh. Bless you.
Grill it in the middle.
Really good.
I don't like
It
it.
really works. It's just super creamy. Need the onions.
So that's the Seattle hot dog. Now, let's take it to the next level. Next up, we're going to check out a gourmet hot dog. This is from a chef called Rene Erickson, who's well known in the States. Now this place is actually a cocktail bar, so it's really dark, so I don't know what it's going to look like in there. But they make everything from scratch, and it's even got caviar on it. Right, just got back from Seattle. What a great 2 days digging into this cult food of the city. Rene Erickson's hot dog was just so good. Like you couldn't really see it in the shots, but the bun was everything. She puts butter on a plate griddle and then butters it and cooks it on either side. It makes it super toasty. That makes such a difference. And then the pork and the beef sausage was amazing. She whipped the cream cheese and then pickled the jalapenos and the red onions. Like so many takeouts from that. She literally is like one of the best chefs in America, and her places are just amazing. So if you come to Vancouver, you've got to go check her out. So back to the UK, and I'm going to show you how to make this guy from start to finish. That's the door locking in the Airbnb. Chill. Pressure. Let me just remember. Right, okay. Right, so we're gonna make the hot dog buns. Getting the bread right for the hot dog makes or breaks the hot dog. It's the same with all sandwiches. If you don't get the bread just right, then it's just like not as good. With these, we need to make it the day before because the dough needs to prove in the fridge for 24 hours. So these are really simple hot dog sausage rolls. 500 grams of plain flour. Let's get the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of semi-melted butter that's going in. So it takes about 5 to 8 minutes to incorporate that butter into the dough. But what you end up with is this ridiculously buttery, pillowy, soft dough that's just dying to be baked. And it turns into the best hot dog buns. Okay, so that guy's been in there for about 10 minutes. So I've oiled this bowl. Let's get it in there, cling film, and then prove overnight. So that's the meat and the fat gone through a course. Now I need to change it to it's fine and we'll pass it all again. Morning, people. Now the trick to these frankfurters is keeping lots of pressure on the nose cap and allowing the natural pressure of the meat as it forces into the skin to drive the growth of the sausage. Okay, so that was actually amazing. Like, me and Jack were really scared. We've been worrying about making these sausages all week. And then it's so easy to do once you get the knack of it, and you just get these amazing sausages. And it's like, now we are so excited to see how they come out. Like, just look at that. That's a proper hot dog sausage there. So rewarding, like literally we are gagging to have a hot dog. Let them cool down, store in the fridge, because now it's time to make the buns. Okay, so as you can see, the dough has like doubled, tripled in height. You know, just look at that. So now we're going to get a little bit of flour down, and then I'm going to break it out into a bunch of hot dog buns. Twist and pinch the ends, and then pinch along the seam to lock in all the air. Okay, so that's our burger buns done. Now we need to just wax some cling film over and then put them in a warm place so that they can prove again for a second time. And what you want them to do is to double in size, which might take, 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I've egg washed them, garnished them. They're going in the oven at 180 for about 20 minutes, but I'm going to wash them like a hawk. Good they look! And that's what they need to sound like. They've got to sound hollow. Sexy as fuck. I swore, but I can't look at that. Like that. It smells like heaven, it feels like heaven, it feels like a heavenly cloud. I know that when I butter that and put it on the griddle, it's gonna become buttery gnarly. Slice open a hot dog in, cream cheese, jalapenos, onions, caviar if you want to take it to the next level. Let's tear another one off. So I'm going to cling film these so they're nice and fresh for tomorrow, and then it's time, people, to hit the streets of Portobello Road Market and food busk this. I'm proud. I mean, just look at it. It's a lot of work that actually goes into a homemade, made from scratch hot dog. Buns are done, sausages are done. I've sauteed off some onions, I've cut them quite fat and done them on the grill. I've pickled some jalapenos, and then I've just got to whip some cream cheese, and then we're going to get them on. But it starts with the hot dog bun. The whole reason why we bake them together, so they stick together in a tin like this, is that you want to be able to tear them. And the reason that you want to be able to tear them is that they release this fresh bread side and it's straight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to butter that, and then I'm going to put it on the grill, and you're going to get this beautiful, indulgent, toasty side to it. It will have heated all the bun through, and that's why then the bread is perfect for this hot dog. And that's what you get. Like just this, you can smell, oh, it just smells so good. Remember, there's so much butter in these buns as it is, but then you slightly toast it. Smells like heaven. The whole bun is now light as a feather and just like toasty, crunchy on the outside. Come here, listen. Can you hear that? That's gonna make it amazing. That's what makes this hot dog, is the bun. I'm gonna slice that open, get the hot dogs on, get the garnishes on, and then we're gonna food busk it. Now I'm going to season the cream cheese with a little bit of salt and whip it, get some air into it with a whisk. Just look at that work of art there. Look at it. It's like a cloud that I've captured, put butter over and put it on the griddle. That's how flipping good it is, yeah? It's a hot dog. I want to charge $7.50 for it. I'm not going to get that. I'm going to say $6.50. No, I'm not. I'm going to say $5.50. It's £6. Right, let's see what people pay. Come on, right, guys.
Is that halal?
No, brother, I'm coming back to you in a minute. All right.
Sorry.
Okay. No. Don't apologise. Get involved. Get involved. Get involved.
What is that?
That is, they're caviar or fish eggs. So get in there. Get in there. Right, you eat them. I'm coming back in a minute. I want to get my boys sorted out. How was it?
Excellent.
Really good. Really good.
Yeah.
Would you venture to say it's the best hot dog you've ever had?
I don't like frankfurters, but that was like proper sausage.
Okay. There we go. What would you pay for a full one?
A full one?
Yeah.
$8.50.
8.50. Respect.
8.9.
8.9?
Yeah, 9 buns. 9 buns.
Okay. I feel like Troy's going to be a little bit tougher to please, so I'm going over now. Okay.
Caviar on it.
Right.
Caviar on it.
Come on. How much would you pay for a one?
How much, really?
Is that a whole one?
That's the whole one.
You know, I won't lie. You know what's lovely? This bread is lovely. It tastes like pizza though. I won't lie. The bread is like
Troy,
£4.
Troy.
£3.50, £4.
Yeah, give it back. Right, we got to wrap. We got to carry on. Troy, thank you so much.
Right, you're welcome. Remember, halal. Remember, halal. Halal, yeah.
So that's it, people. At the end of the Seattle Dog journey, yeah, I think like it's 100% the best hot dog I've ever made and ever eaten, if I do say so myself. And that's all to do with the hot dog bun. It's all to do with that. It's the fact that they're together, that then we buttered it. It's a light pillowy heaven that wraps around that sausage. The cream cheese is amazing. It's genius. It's how you should have your hot dogs.
No.
Seattle, I've repped you. I hope I've done a good enough job. Seattleans, that's not what they call themselves. What do they call themselves in Seattle? People from Seattle do. People of Seattle, I hope that I've repped you properly. I hope you like the hot dog. Let me know what you would have paid for the hot dog in the comment box below. People, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, thanks for watching. Increase the peace.